ngidisappointa uSifiso isihlama nje ngidisappointwa isihlama engeke sikutshele emehlweni masikubona mara sikwazi ukukhuluma kuma podcast ukuthi thina siyenza Sifiso uswag man Sifiso bathi kimi ngizithole mahala lezi zinto ezwa Sifiso lezi zinto lezi iachievement mfana wami ezwa lezi uzazi ezwa akusimali lezo ozitshontshayo lezo sihlama ezwa uyangikwatisa uthi mina ngini wena nalamagay wakho abothagi nithi ngenzani nale ntombazane engakwazi ukule iweek uthi nithi ngenzani yini yangijwayela ningizwa aningizwa Sifiso awungizwa ende ngifuna ungitshela mawuhlangana nami emehlweni msunu nje ezwa ukhuluma lento oyikhulumayo ezwa ungitshela uthi kimi nje uyintwana angazi ngithi ngiyini ezwa Sifiso sizohlangana mngani wami futhi angisingumngani wezintsha mina yo nina nijwayela abantu abalungile kabi yazi yazi mara yazi yazi ungizwe mara ukhuluma iqiniso.
Remember guys, in the previous episode they cooked Angelique guys, Piano Pulse guys cooked Angelique guys, then Angelique fired back guys, and it was not nice. It was like he was throwing stones at them guys, but the person who felt it the most, it was Mars guys. So Mars was emotionally touched. These things that were said by Angelique guys touched her deeply guys, so in such a way that they disturbed her a little bit guys. So Mars decided to express her feelings guys, because remember they say that he is not a superstar, well he is not counted amongst the superstars guys. Then Angelique was angry guys. Then you know when you are angry guys, you say whatever. I think it's that situation guys. Here's Mars expressing herself guys.
Because of the position that I hold in Amapiano, just generally at this young age of mine, parent and all of that, and I feel like you characterizing me to being Iskeberash was a bit unfair, especially when you have not seen me or I've never given you a reason to even call me that, you understand? Especially for the fact that what we were talking about was in context to Amapiano and music, not about your personal life or anything that was like bizarre, like what you said, calling me Iskeberash, So yeah, that was a bit unfair. I feel like my character was assassinated. He was literally coming for my character, and that happens a lot in today's society with women. Like you could have came for anything else. You could have said, Mars is like new in the industry. What do you know about Amapiano? Just 20. What do you know about the music industry? We've been here for the longest time, But instead, I don't mind the hair. I don't mind the whole installation. Like everybody goes through that, Like you install today, the next day it's cracked. Literally installed yesterday, and today it's already like looking messed up a bit. But that comment, honestly, that was just really like out of board. I really didn't appreciate that, and respectfully so to you as an adult. And I acknowledge the fact that I'm a kid. But respectfully so, that was really like uncalled for, and I really didn't appreciate that. So, yeah.
Not even for once we called anybody a whore, even though we know some of them. We don't bring shit like that here like that. So that one was not nice. And I still don't hate Angelique. He's my brother, but that one, my brother, let's fix it. Please find it in your, I don't know. You need to apologize to Mars, bro. Me, don't apologize. It's fine. I'm a man. I can take it. But I would like you to apologize to Mars, dog. We're going to be good.
Taghi?
No. Yeah, you guys said a mouthful. That was dope.
What was your reaction to him going live? Of
I'm
course,
scared, bro, to speak your mind now. What's going on, bro? Did I threaten you, bro?
They said
Bro, have you guys realized how Taghi plays safe these days? Now, like guys, in a serious note, bro. In a serious note, hold on, guys. You realize how much Taghi plays safe these days? I don't know, it's because you're protecting the bookings or what, but bro, this is a woman that was insulted. You can't not have anything to say. You can't not protect a woman that we work with every day. On behalf of us, man, I want to apologize in his behalf. I hope his apology comes or never. I don't know. I don't care. But let me apologize in his behalf. I didn't think I thought we are past the phase where there's men like us who can still look at a 20-year-old woman and call them Ifebe. That's not cool. I apologize in us men, in behalf of us men. I don't know, bro. I don't know what to say, bro, that to make you feel better. But I hope you stay strong and move on from that.
Yeah.
And continue doing you, because you are doing an amazing job.
I don't know, I respect that. I was just called gay, man.
Yeah.
You know?
They say you fuck another man.
dog.
Yeah, I was called gay, man, and I took it. I was like, maybe I am. Who knows? Maybe, you know. After that happened, I called my people. I'm like, hey, but gay. You know what I mean? Like, hey. You know, we laughed about it, and it was just that. For me, I was like, it's just like, you don't know what to say about me, honestly.
Yeah, like
he was shy,
he was fishing.
He said I'm a fail. What's a fail pop?
Yep, guys, that was Mars expressing her feelings, guys, towards the Angelique comment, guys. So, guys, you can leave your review. I don't know what's your take on this one down in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video here on this channel. Once again, thanks for watching this channel. I'll see you again in another video.